Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in once again. And today, like I said yesterday, I will be doing mukbang with Nagamese. So I'm sorry for those people who don't understand Nagamese. Tut me leid. And also for those people who don't understand German. Yeah, today will be a special video for the Naga people out there. I would like to explain to them in my own native language how important German language is. So yeah, but next time I will do another mukbang in English. So yeah, that should be fine. Yeah. अच्छा तो आज जो मैं बिशी खुशी है कि ले मने मैं Nagamese pra mukbang kruwo hingga oni hange konish na jido moi Nagamese pra mukbang krule se to moi na he kali moi lotha kathara mukbang krushe to moi kumba comments paise like Nagamese pra bi kurbi nga kuina na to especially tahan request karne acha to tik ase to moi kali banai na thaga do olo bacha do idu khaina kurbo kuina na pickle lo de na Machihan Mukbang idu pickle do ekilo de khado na inni ogni tha garlic pickle made in Pakistan. Ere Asian store pai na. I think it's like 4 or 5 euros. Really daba damar I say 500 gram na. Akuni do mami tha. Sema mandu pure sema mandu akuni. Akuni mo pshi khushi pai ba. Akuni vese pastinga vese pickle bi aro gahri mongso lo अच्छा तो man moi du khan de on henge German language la important look kudu ne ido Germany de onyan kuma mano ini aina pruvo no lebi aina kam pruvo no lebi aina ni ausbildung training professional training kan lo ngona onyan kuma mano babi thaga se kudu do moi onyan ge kuit hayo lebi achina lagi de morom bra onyan German language to kimman learn ko pare na try ko video learn ko le na ara jigalo do resources भी पिछे ऐसे YouTube पे ना like teachers पिछे ऐसे YouTube पे तो मेरा German class जाना है वो German class तो बार ना बुझे ले तो मैं YouTube से ना orang ना पुरुषी में plus ये दे online language तो learn नो करना है ले तो पिछे दुख पाओ कि ले मने ले German is also manuwe kima manuai wo so pita hala go register kro lage na ide anmeldung na to iduge anmeldung ko to anyan kita do register kro le jaye if you guys are not lucky. I mean most people they are speaking only German or on language to na janela on bishi duk power starting from that. And not even before that, but when you reach Germany, when you land in Germany, everything will be written in German, okay? The train station, nah. Like I said in my previous video, while traveling also, sometimes the train gets cancelled. Sometimes you have to go to another train, like, nah. Or day-to-day life, eklan hoy do it. Even in terms of your professional career, no? Like only English properly, internship. Ano sab German no hoy na mostly. Aro yedo the skill to bishi important de na han. So university ekla pura do. It's not enough, na. You need to really get trained yourself. So you need to apply for internship if you want to get a good job. That's what I did. like I did 2 different internships from 2 different companies. So it is not internship is important as it na. So on hand budget for I approve on compulsory internship field choose to do to be balo English na de based on my personal opinion because pula course choose the compulsory internship kuna do ko na jine na mo no proper guidance na Nagamanu kumi muge jana manu na who can give me guidance na don't know. Acha agree no forestry related courses master degree na I will do moi ta hanane ekta pishi good news anula se moi ekta course discover guna se edu course to on han blog account develop ko kam nai na aro edu klan hina I have a the internship 6 months compulsory internship na to my separate video banawa de agriculture forestry related students who wants to come here for masters na no blog account internship from the start. It's a German taught English taught program, but you need to learn the German, okay, because you will be staying in the German family and then you will be doing the internship here. I will bring some of my guests who is currently studying this course from India. So, on yan tadura idea pa jawana. Hey, kota ko gina ko tumyo siya ka. Mo second round dali na iwo de. Emila kuni sema manula se pure sema manuna hai first class. See guys, mula didi or especially tala friend ye kuina na tala friend la cousin sema manuna se gishe janya manuna tera hai muge especially parcel gishe ba hai. Oh my goodness, inni na ma bawar jar gishe mula friend mere gibi tinta piece dina se to tai ma khushi pa she smell do ni na mara se ko ma bawar dry kuna na he akhuni do ni o khushi pa ba ami han kuma manu jane akhuni bawra banai kule to muge morom ra khabar di de. I'm ready to buy types to Muina idu ingora tikra plastic na dalina he ingor ko namoi fridge te dalere ingora na nole do shi gundai roi kuna like moi do gun khushi pai uli moi la flat te thaga so manu khushi na pai na gun do acha to bye buniham moina second round jole ste he akhuni de to se ayale focus pe par no like ko jao acha to moita second round jole se to moi like ta subscriber ra muge gushina bat khadne ma kotha no kure gushi to moi ita ra focus kuna khaw de to onyan Ini on yandu ekilo khanishna jizo mo ekla noina ekilo de nagaman honlo de khanishna na. Bishi enjoy na khase. Moina when it comes to food, I'm always there, okay guys, because I love food now. My field is also like in quality management na, food quality management. The combination of akuni garlic pickle, a boil, and this machihan no, pakla ho jawa. So nice, guys. It's not easy to cook home food every day. Ija chuti es na Easter da chuti dek chine lo ne. Nulo do hoda inga khole. Daim bin na pa. Arom mila show hando mo ita mo video ini almost every day dalit he to nyan wonder would hop pare. Ini mo do hando sopi banana ar khalas na. Pilara na like plan to pilara text YouTube channel khulo buna na. Aron na man naga hange unemployed youth hang yung multi janye. Olop sholo bulu to ra encourage ko, let's try to learn from one another na. That's the gana khulo le. Li one day mula space kan so fulu jisha. Mula device iPad devi jaga na or mula phone devi jaga na laptop devi ingona. Achanak ra khula la se. Na to nyan mugia man support kriya, like kriya, share kriya na comment kuri dia man bal ko thamge ko han aya any over na over things like manhan mula channel nga huluwe khushi paya ngona no man like thankful na iso get like YouTubers to man bal bishes na moruita ajim lai na 12 days to nga nutun YouTuber ko na janenga huluwe onan support kuri dia on han mo aju the special mukbang de eklo de khawo bina na Akune I like eating raw or maybe cooking with pork, anything. कुछ भी चलेगा. I mambo khaishi majlo. I'm not acting. It's really good. Garlic pickle rana. Kali retu jo moi garlic pickle dana na do. I didn't remember na. To just too good with the garlic pickle. Garlic pickle all of that in now. See guys, my garlic pickle. Kacha ravina ma khushi pai. I mean kacha is no pickle though. Garlic pickle we no khushi pai ko mai. My favorite. Crispy. Mm. La soup na, itu machihan la soup. Precious no ya. Mixed with garlic. More mula German friends hangya. Onyan somebody commented hangya that my German friends like telling me to teach them my native language, Nagamese, Ngullie, Lotha. I will teach them. I have a plan. I talked to one of my flatmates. So actually guys, you guys must be wondering I have so many German friends. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I came, I think if you guys are listening to my video, then you guys will be aware that I came in Germany on September 2019. Nah? So here it's very difficult to get accommodation, okay guys? Tip, if you guys are coming here for accommodation, I will also give you guys idea how to search accommodation, but this video will get very long now, so I will just eliminate the topic for now. Yes guys, so sorry. So if you guys are coming here to get an here for studies or anything, accommodation, you really need to search in advance there. So for me, I applied in a university dorm. So so for me, I applied in a university dorm. So university dorm there, they gave me just for 1 year, okay guys. So after that, I had to search my own apartment or my own flat or WG's Wohngemeinschaft. Die Leute wohnen da zusammen. People used to stay together, and I spoke German now because one of my subscribers told me that I need to speak, like it's good that I speak English and German. Deswegen habe ich gerade Deutsch gesprochen. That's why I spoke German right now. Yeah, genau. Yes, exactly. Yeah. So 1 year hai paise to inga hado 1 year khatam hui jado 2020 inga do I had to search a new apartment there. To inga hado luckily corona came now. So corona came, so they extended my contract for another 1 year there. So since they extended my contract for another 1 year, I stayed there. But after that, they did not extend further. So I had to search for another option for accommodation. And then it's very difficult to get an accommodation. I think I wrote around 100 or 200 applications, okay. And then hardly one person, like few people responded. And from there also, I went to see the house and everything. They did interview. They asked so many questions. Like it's like a job interview. Yeah, and then I just barely managed to get one because for me it was important that it's not only cheap but it's also like good location. Nah? I was looking for everything. So there was this one German guy. He owns the whole apartment, nah? So he have like 4 or 5 rooms. There's one girl and then 3 guys. They are like all staying together in a WG, but we all have a separate room. So in Germany, it's very famous that you stay in if you're a student or if you have low income. Like me as a student, I had a low income. You cannot afford expensive accommodation, na? 1-2 lakhs to every month diwana pare na. It's like common sense, right? You don't even earn that much. Hardly during semester break maybe you earn, but then you cannot give everything for your accommodation, right? So I got my first accommodation there, and then it was like there were 1, 2 Christian, Niels, Tilo, three German guys, and then 1 German girl. Like 4 of them were there, and then me. Then we were like 5 of us. So that's how I get to know like 3 Germans from there. And then yeah, initially I was not very comfortable staying with guys. Guys, let me tell you one story, very funny. So when I first came to Germany, in the WG, we were invited there. Sorry, not in in WG, in the university WG. Nah. So they used to tell us like, okay, come everybody, like in order to distribute the rooms, they will let you guys all sit in a table. Nah, it was like that back then. And then all are from different countries. Some are from Germany, some are from Iran, some are from Canada. So they let us all sit together, okay? And then after we all sat together, they let us talk to one another, so that like they want to see if we will be a good roommate together or not. It was like this, yeah. So um, there was this one Iran girl, Tanas. She always thought the Germans are not very open, or I mean, everybody thought like that initially, in my opinion, or most people, because yeah, I've talked in my previous video about that. Are Germans really rude? So you need to watch that video. I think that would be a good, interesting video, an eye opener for you guys to learn more about Germans, how they are. Yeah. So this girl, she asked me if I can be her roommate. So I said okay, because it's a girl. And then the house owner said like, it's important that it should be two girls and two guys. So see guys, me, I came from India, and then in India, in our culture, we don't stay with guys, right? This is so weird. So I was like very innocent back then, and then I asked the house owner, when she said like two guys and two girls, I was like, man, how can I stay with a guy? This is like, das geht nicht für mich. Like, it's not possible for me. Dann habe ich gefragt, then I asked, can I please stay only with girls? Then sie hat mir gesagt, she told me, actually it's not, it is possible if you really want to stay, but we highly recommend that two guys and two girls, so that two guys can take care of the two girls when there is like something problem in the house, or fire alarm, or something bad happens, then like two guys can take responsible for this thing. So guys, one thing about Germans, like they always take care, like, oh, if something happens, then they are always trying to be on the safe side. So this is also, sorry, in their culture, yeah. So they say it like this, and then I had no other option. Then I got a flatmate. I have also talked about my flatmates, from where they come from, in my previous video. If you guys were listening, then you will have already known, but some for those people who don't know, one was from Iran, I'm India, China, and then Canada. We four of us, so we all four stayed together, yeah. So yes, so my contract in that apartment was over WG, so then I had to shift to another new WG. Then I got 3 new German friends from there, yeah, flatmates, really nice people. I'm planning to take some video with them, and then one guy is currently doing an Ausbildung. It's like a professional training where you get paid while working as well. So many people have commented in my video how to search a job in Germany. So I'm also planning to take that video. So many interesting things are coming up. So many interesting contents will be coming up. So please continue to support me. Yes. Yeah, genau. So yes, where am I? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, the flat thing. So and then after that, I was like, I got an internship in my field, like food quality assurance and food quality management. So I got this internship for 3 months. So then I had to shift to the Black Forest, guys. And then, oh my goodness, the love of God is so amazing. I have so many testimonies, guys. I stayed in a German family house, and oh my gosh, I will make another video. So please comment down below if you guys are interested to hear how the love of God worked in my life through our German family. Yes. So I went and stayed there for 3 months, and then my internship contract got over. It was last year, February, March, April. And then from May, I was like really lucky, and then I tried so hard that I got in another company again to write my master thesis, and then also do an internship once again in quality assurance and quality management in this company. So that was from May to October. So that time also again I had to shift to another place. Then yeah, like that I got so many flatmates, and then the Germans that I know very well, they are mostly like my flatmates. So I will be inviting each and every one of them. Here the good thing is, like, if you are staying in a WG like this, the cheap houses, then you get to know a lot of people, because you all stay together. Although you don't share the room, you all get a separate room, and then yeah, washroom, and then the kitchen, it's like common like this, no? So yeah, that's a little bit about my flatmates, or yeah, about how I get to know Germans. Yeah, so I have talked to most of them, and then most of them, they were very kind and nice that they are willing to be in my video. And then I will ask them how to I will teach them Nagamese. I will let them eat Naga food, Like I will, yeah, so I have planned about that. I have talked to my flatmate, and then my flatmate, he's happy, and then he said we will also make video and show your Naga people how we Germans we make pizza. He told me like that. So yeah, I need to plan a schedule with him as well. Yes, and also another content. There is an Indian lady who married a German. Like she's from Delhi, and we contacted yesterday. Yeah, and then she have so many cute kids. So yeah, and then she said she's happy to be in my show. So yeah, I will be interviewing her as well. Yeah, and then I also saw one comment. Somebody commented that he or she wants me to interview somebody who came for theology with full funding scholarship. Yeah, so I know some Nagas or like Manipuri, they did study here, or currently they are studying theology and then with full scholarships. So I will interview them as well. I just need time because it's not easy, guys. Like yeah, taking the video, editing, traveling, there are so many unseen expenditures, and like you need a lot of effort, time, money, and all these things. So yeah, but I'm really thankful to you all for being so patient and then for sticking with me. And yeah, I hope I hope and I pray that there will be some Nagas who will be benefiting through my channel. I'm trying my best to give every information as much as I can so that you guys can really come here and study, yeah, for free, because the education is also free, like I said, and then you don't have to pay semester fees also, which is actually very nice. And then you just have to pay one time in 6 months. That is the semester contribution, but that is like paying your bus fee, no? Transportation though you have to use only if you come here, and that transportation also student transportation, then it gets really cheap, you know. And also in the canteen also you can get discount food. For students you pay a little bit less, nah? But for teachers, professors, they pay the full amount. I saw them. Yeah, and also like in the library also sometimes you can, you know, Xerox copy and all these things, like you get cheap amount. And sometimes you go to the museums and all that time also you get discount, okay guys. And not only that, but there are so many discounts also as a student here. I know some people, they remain student for a while because they want to avail all the discounts. Yeah guys, so that was my short mukbang, and that was a special mukbang for specially dedicated to all my Naga brothers and sisters. Yeah, I just wanted to motivate you guys a little bit. And yeah, if you guys, any of you right now are facing hard times or thinking like this is the end of the world and mula life to do it man it could be at balbin hoy and all these things, then I just want to encourage you guys that like isorge na pahuri na keep continue to keep God as your first priority na. Then just try to explore, just try to get some skills. If you want to get some skills, then that's really good, guys, because without skills we cannot do anything, right? Like people will give you a job only if you have good skills, so you can make yourself skilled enough for the job market, ready for the job market. So instead of getting very disappointed, you have the internet in your own hand, YouTube is there, right? You can try to explore and try to get a skilled, yeah, like that. We can all try to encourage one another now. So thank you so much for watching till the end, and then I will see you all in my next video. Bye.